IULs stands for Index Universal Life Insurance. So it's literally life insurance, but it's life insurance that people are able to save money inside of the policy. So these are cash value policies, right? And as you're paying your policy every month, a portion of that money is going to be going over into a savings account for you. Now that savings account is tied to an index. So that means that it's basically tied to the stock market. As the stock market is doing really good, your money is going to be performing well. But when the stock market does bad, you don't have to ever worry about losing a dime, okay? Now, the other thing is this. They are tax-free. So with them being tax-free, you're in a position where you can pay money every single month and you never have to worry about being taxed on that money. Very different than a 401k or an IRA. 401ks and IRAs are what we call tax deferred. So that means that later on you're going to have to pay taxes on that whole account. But IULs are completely tax-free. Get this. Years ago, when I worked in corporate America, I actually had a 401k with my company. And one day I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and leave the company. I'm going to move on to do something else. And I told them, send me my check, my $30,000 check. And when I got that money, I only had $18,000. They took $12,000 off the top for penalties and taxes. So when I say IULs are tax-free, that's the kind of stuff that gets me excited, okay? Now, the other thing is that they're completely liquid. So if you need money, right, you can actually access these policies. So that cash value that's growing because your money is mirroring the stock market, that money can be accessed by you. It's life insurance, meaning you can use it while you're living. You don't have to wait until you die to use it. So the really cool thing is, let's say you wanted to buy a new car or you wanted to put a down payment on a home. If the money's there, it's yours. You can access it, which is so different. So ultimately, I tell people all the time, if you're gonna save for retirement, if you're gonna save for the future or have some type of plans later, you need a tax-free type of product. IUL handles every single one of those things that people are looking for when it comes to finances.